Anyway, I had to cut it off. I was struggling with it. My son started bothering me. There it goes again. Struggling with it. They're hard to get back. If you drop them, it sucks when you drop them. Don't drop them. Connect that back up. You don't want to forget that. Try it out. And we'll put them screws back on top. If you're wondering, my son got autism supposedly, and he needs a lock on the dryer. I've already fixed this 100 times now because of him. Oh, it's working again, look. After all that. And put your wet clothes back in and dry them. Or call someone to fix it if you think that's easier. Call someone to fix what I just did. Oh yeah, these two screws gotta go back. Of course, go back, yeah. That's the thing with stuff like this. It don't want to go back until it hurts you. Metal stuff like this. Cars, washing machines, it's like, yeah, you can fix me, but I'm gonna hurt you first. You gotta have all these tools to get hurt too. There, it's done. It's working.